Today we're going to be opening up Birchbox. This particular box used to run $10 a month. Starting in June, I think it's actually already started, it's going to be $15 a month, and it includes 5 to 6 samples. So this is the box for this month. Ooh, and there's a little note in the top. You get a card included, and it looks like this month they're celebrating an empowering female-founded brand. And at the back it has a list of everything included this month, along with the cost, brief description of what it does. There's another card which says that they've joined the Female Founder Collective. There's a lot of women on that card, so that's awesome. So first thing I get included is a Davines OI All-in-One Milk. Oh, it's a hair product for all hair types. Doesn't smell bad. It smells like a hair oil. So full size of this runs $34. We also have a number 4 Hair Performance Super Comb Prep and Protect. It's another hair item, and I feel about that. And full size of this runs $32. So we have another Davines hair product. And this is an OI shampoo. Full size of this runs $31. Not that happy. That's 3 hair products in the box so far. And they're going up to $15. Okay. I spoke too soon. We have another Davines product, and this is the OI Conditioner. Yeah, so that's 4 hair products. Full size of this runs $38. Okay. If you're into hair products, this would be a great box for you apparently, but I'm not, so this is not good. Comfort Zone Face Scrub, and it's Illuminating Refining Scrub. Has a little seal on it, so we'll take that off. So my face is all washed and clean. Smells like a cleanser. I mean, it does the job of a face wash. I like that it didn't leave my skin feeling dry, so that is always a plus. Full size of this runs $40, so it's an expensive face scrub if you end up getting it. An Arrow Enhance, and this is a waterproof eyeliner, and it's a Bright Now, and they describe this as an eye brightener, and that is the color. This is going to be an interesting eye brightener. Watch that right there. What is that? Pink? Not sure what color that is. Oh, it's like a silver. I'm not crazy, am I? Looks pink. Alright, well let's try this eye brightener and see how bright I can get. And the eye brightener, full price, runs $10. And this is what it looks like. I'm not a fan. It was like really hard to use. It was like almost using like a crayon to put on an eyeliner. The formula, it didn't glide on. There were points where I felt like I was drawing on my eyes, you know, where you're like trying to get the color in, and I'm like, what is this? This is my first time using it. Probably gonna be my last time using it. A Marcelle Mascara, and it's Extension Plus Skyline Mascara. And full size of this runs $15. Yes. Looking good, Marcelle. Really long wand. How long do they think my lashes are? Doesn't seem to get a lot of product on it. This is 3 swipes in. So this is how the mascara looks on. And I gotta say, it's very lengthening. I'm actually really surprised. I thought everything in the box was gonna be crap, but yeah, this definitely adds a lot of volume to my eyelashes. So I am pleasantly surprised. Next in the box I have a Forever Pink, and this is a lip and cheek stain. This is like the cutest, but look how tiny that thing is. Ooh, it even has a little cap on it. You see that? There's the cap. That's the color. I'm assuming it's going to come across like a lip gloss. Full size of this runs $28. It smells really good. It smells almost like bubblegum. It smells like a lip balm though. It smells really good. It smells almost like bubblegum. And it's a Jane Iredale Just Kiss Lip and Cheek Stain in the color Forever Pink. This is what I would say a lip balm does, honestly. But who am I? I would not spend $28 on a lip balm. I don't know who this is for, but if I can't pick up the color on my lips, it's just shiny. It smells great though. So if you did spend $28 on it, good smell. Goodbye.